Hello everyone, I'm Giselle, and today's video is we're gonna unbox some fan mail package. I was shopping and I saw this random girl running towards me and holding a package, and there's my name on it. And she said that like every object she sees, she's gonna put it on the box. So yeah, she saw me on the store and she was running to their home. And then yeah, thank you so much. I never received any package. Thank you so much. This is actually great memories. What? Thank you so much. So let's unbox. Sorry, I don't have a table. Wait. So hindi nila alam na nagtatagalog pala ako. Pilipino ako mga guys. So okay, let's open. Look! Totoo pala! Oh my gosh! Oh my God, ang dami. There's so much stuff on it. If you can see. Oh my God! I need to. Oh my gosh! Look. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh! So you're saying that you're gonna give me this whole notepads or sticky notes? Wow. Ang ganda ng design. Thank you so much. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan niya. Ang sayang. Dapat sinabi niya sa akin ano yung pangalan niya. Diba? Thank you. Oh, heart stickers. Wow, I never have stickers before. I meant wala na akong stickers. Thank you. Oh my, what is this? Uy, akala ko totoong butterfly dahil it was moving. Look, hala, ang cute! And oh my gosh, ang ganda ng color. Red ba to? Ay, pink pala. Wow, thank you. It's actually a clip. Wow, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, hindi ako I'm not like an organizer. I don't collect markers or highlighters, but this is the Stabilo Boss. Ang mahal kaya nito sa National Bookstore. Tapos bibigyan mo ako nito. Thank you. So you love Sanrio. Wow, so cute. Thank you. Isa-isahin na lang natin. Oh my gosh, she really loves Sanrios. Chromie. There's more Sanrio stickers. I don't hate them. I love them. Oh my gosh. So cute. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I need to hold the mic. Okay? Scrunchie! I only have one scrunchie. Wow! It's dark blue. I never have a dark blue. Wow! Thank you so much. It's so cute. Okay. I don't know your name. Who are you? Oh, there was a letter. I didn't see it. Oh no. Hello, I'm your biggest fan. I wish you have more videos. I missed your short videos. Short videos, okay? I wish you like my gift. Yeah, I already like it. Thanks so much for this letter, but you should put that on your name. Oh my gosh. You didn't even say your name. Niya sinabi yung pangalan niya. Oh, wow. Oh, it's coffee. It's an notepad. I need this for my exams. Uy. He loves Kuromi. Oh, a thank you sticker. Thank you. But nagtithank you siya sa akin. Oh my gosh, it's a big notepad. This is really thankful to me, especially. Wait, so ingay. This is clearly really thankful to me because I need this for my exams, especially to notes. Hala, parang college life na. But this is a great gift for me. I know it's a little like, even though it's little, but I don't know if it's little, but this is big for me and my heart. Thank you so much. My favorite item on this gift is this butterfly. I really love accessories, and also this scrunchie. I really love accessories or ano, para sa hair. I love this. This is my dog named Chola. I love Chola. Chola, say hi. Say hi. He's shy. Bye, guys. If you guys want to watch more videos, subscribe.
Subscribe! I said subscribe!
Bye. Don't watch my other vlogs.